Hey Wonder Peakers, ever heard of black liquor? It's an oily, pitch-black byproduct of pulp mills, and scientists now say it could power life on Earth in ways we never imagined. This isn't sci-fi, it's real science. Black liquor is a waste stream from paper and pulp production, full of lignin, sugars, and organic compounds. For decades, it's been burned for heat. But today, researchers are turning it into high-energy biofuels using advanced chemical and biological conversion. Here's what's happening. Supercritical water gasification, or microbial breakdown, converts black liquor into syngas, hydrogen, and advanced liquid fuels. These fuels, also called drop-in biofuels, can seamlessly replace diesel or jet fuel in existing engines and infrastructure. No new pipelines needed, no massive retrofit. Just real renewable fuel from industrial waste. Want proof? IEA Bioenergy reports that these fuels are already cost competitive if hydrogen supply issues are solved. Even microbial fermentation is promising. Bioengineers are optimizing bacteria and fungi to convert lignin into high-energy cargo molecules, creating a closed-loop biorefinery. Imagine cities powered by plants and pulp mills, generating fuel and electricity in a zero-waste model. But here's the intensity. This black liquid holds 2 to 3 times more energy per mass than wood chips and produces 70% fewer emissions than fossil diesel. In some cases, the process captures CO, making it potentially carbon negative. The next-gen tech twist? Scientists are developing electrochemical reactors that upgrade black liquor directly into stable, dense biofuels. No heat, no massive plants. These liquid fuels are chemically identical to petroleum, diesel, jet fuel, or marine oil. They drop into existing refineries, meet ASTM specs, and could scale without massive infrastructure changes. Now here's a mind bender. These technologies can also generate hydrogen and electricity alongside fuel, turning pulp mills into energy hubs in a decarbonized future. So this black sludge isn't waste. It's a bioenergy goldmine, clean, renewable, scalable. So tell us, would you trust energy made from industrial waste if it powers your car or even your flights? Subscribe to Wonder Peak for more jaw-dropping science that flips the ordinary on its head.